For me, my parents chose the very best because it is the character building that happens in the childhood that takes you places, right? So I was lucky to have been, associated with Silverline Prestige School. I started my schooling in the Nehru Nagar branch, and I would say that my foundation lies there. My first initial steps, began with Silverline School, and then when I started my career, so my first job was at Silverline Prestige School. That is the senior secondary branch. And whenever I have been associated with school, that there's a lot of uh, learning that has happened. The school gave me a lot of confidence as a child by providing me a platform to explore my abilities, whether it be recitation competitions, dance competition, music, singing, sports, etc. And then as a teacher, it again provided me the platform that I needed to explore my capacities and capabilities. Thank you so much, Silverline. And let me tell you that this is not just a school, it is basically an environment that will foster the right skills in your child, as it has done for me and all my friends who are doing so well in their fields in life. Thank you.